Nice 964. As we can see, she's had a wonderful paint job, but just needs a last little bit of finishing. You can see in the big lights there some holograms, so those patterns in the paint, which are from a particular type of polisher called a rotary polisher, which is a very aggressive polisher, very hard to get super clarity paint with. As you can see there in those lights, which are a bit more diffused. So if I just flip on my paint inspection light, they're even worse there. So the sort of spider webs or whatever you can see. Classic. There, if we come up onto the wing, there is some evidence of some swirling, but not such crazy hologramming. This is a bit like my other video years ago that I did on the Mini, but we're now quite a few years later in the new workshop. But as you can see, the problems are still the same. Finished properly with a dual action machine, this wouldn't happen. This is a Porsche, so a lot of the comments I got on that video were, it's not worth it, it's a low-end car. Well, this is. So arguably there's no excuse for this. I'm not complaining because it keeps me in work fixing this stuff. But what's surprising is that it still happens with the polishing technology we've got available today. There's really no need for this. This is very, very easy to rectify. Well, relatively, if you're skilled, I suppose, and not scared of polishing paint with a machine and cutting it. But if you're a paint shop, these horrible little patterns which just ruin this super sharp guards red shouldn't really be there. But that's okay. We can fix this. Not looking bad at all, is she? But give me a day or so on it, and it'll reach another level of clarity, depth of gloss, and of course we'll get rid of all of those holograms. Still some detail work to do. Close up to the badge, close to the edges with a smaller tool or by using some masking. But that's my test section there. And as you can see, a very light polishing combination using the standard Rupes technique of 2 dots of polish at speed 4. 3 left rights, 3 ups and downs. And then we're doing a solvent wipe down. That has completely eliminated the hologramming and left us just with a super sharp finish, which is what this car should have had in the first place. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. If you're already subscribed, you could click the bell, that would be amazing. Just lets YouTube know that my little channel is doing stuff that people want to be notified about, and it helps them show the video to more people. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this little extra bonus video. Maybe you've enjoyed me not sitting in front of the camera and talking at you for a bit. So there you go. I need to pull this tape off now and spend the rest of the day doing the same thing to the rest of this 964. And then I'll probably end up doing a separate video, which is just a normal vlog video explaining what we've done. So I hope you have a great day, and look forward to seeing you all again soon. Look at that, just so much sharper and better without those horrible holograms. Thanks everyone, see you on the next one.